today we're going to start by making Saheena, and right here we have a pound of split peas, and we soak them overnight.
Yeah, we soak this overnight in 4 cups of water. We're going to use 2 cups.
Alright, so this is a pound, but we're only going to use 2 cups. So in here we have 2 cups of split peas, 1 cup of water, and 4 garlic cloves. Pour this into the bowl. Half a teaspoon of saffron powder. 2 teaspoons of salt. Okay, so this is 2 cups of chopped spinach. We had to use frozen spinach due to the global pandemic, but you should really use fresh spinach if you can. Sometimes we use calobush, but they were all sold out at the store, so we couldn't get any. So this is 2 cups of flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of yeast. I'm gonna mix it up.
Be nice. Yeah, you get a nice texture.
Yeah, it's very wet. It's kind of like a mush.
I'm going to cover it and let it rest for an hour.
We're frying the Saheena.